morning, primary boy. Welcome back to my session with me, Miss Tere. Now we are in the chapter 5, fractions, word problems. So before we start this discussion, I will make sure that you have you mastered the skill of fractions. If you haven't mastered the skill of fractions, it's better for you to go back to chapter 4 and to master it more and more again. If you have any question related to chapter 4, which is fractions, gotta ask me, okay? So in here, we're going to open textbook page 88 and number try 1A. And you're going to have this story. Kathy used 1/3/8 kilogram of flour to make muffins. I love muffins. She used a 1¼ kilogram less flour than Diana. How much flour did Diana use? So we know that Kathy used 1/3/8 while Diana used more than Kathy. How do we know that Diana used more than Kathy? Because in the story, it is stated that Kathy or she used less than Diana. So here we are. This is the model that Kathy had 1/3/8 while Diana will be more. And then how many more? 1/4. So Kathy used 1/4 kilogram less flour than Diana. So here we are. And then the question asks you, how much is that? So how much flour did Diana use? How much, yeah? Before to go, how do we know it? By doing addition. As you can see, Diana's model is longer than Kathy's, so that is addition. 1/3/8 plus 1/4. If you forget how to do addition with these mixed numbers, go back to chapter 4, and we're going to have the details there. So first, add the whole numbers for addition only. In addition, we're going to add the whole numbers at first. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then the fraction will be added there. 3/8 plus 1/4. Well, I will not repeat myself that you need to make the denominator same, because all of you have mastered this in a grade 4, and here we are only enhance your skill. So 8 and 4, the same denominator that we can use is 8, so that's it. It will be 5/8. Don't forget, after you add whole numbers and fractions, you gotta combine it together, and it will be 2/5/8. 2/5/8. So Diana used 2/5/8 kilograms of flour. Now B. Regan obtained 1½ cups of juice from a coconut. So from a coconut will get 1½ cups of juice. How many cups of juice can Regan obtain from 6 such coconuts? So if one coconut has 1½ how about 6 coconuts? What we gotta do? Of course, simple. 1 unit equals 1½ so 6 units will be 6 units. Will be 6 times 1½ Don't forget, in multiplication with these whole numbers and mixed numbers, these mixed numbers, you gotta make it into fraction. Don't forget to convert the mixed numbers into fraction. So 6 times 3/2. That's it, equals 9. Or that is the first method, that 6 times 3 and then divided by 2, 18 divided by 2. But the second method, if you know how to simplify this, that's also welcome. So 9. This is 3, this is 1. So 3 times 3, which is 9, per 1, and 9. He can obtain 9 cups of juice from 6 such coconuts. It's kind of easy. Now go to your workbook chapter 5, practice 1. We're going to do number 1. Let's discuss it together. Parcel B is 3 times as heavy as parcel A. The total mass of parcel A and parcel B is 5 kilograms. How heavy is parcel A? So we know that parcel B is 3 times as heavy as parcel A. So if parcel B has 3, well, parcel A will have 1. Because parcel B is 3 times A. That's it. And now all of it will be 5 kilograms. How heavy is parcel A actually? So what can we do? So 1 unit equals 1 per 4. So parcel A is 1 per 4 kilograms. Kinda easy. If you have any question, just ask me. Number 2. A tablecloth has a length of 9 per 10 meters and a breadth of 5 per 8 meters. So what is the area of the tablecloth? This one is kinda easy. I give you 15 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First of all, what we're going to do? What do we need to find? Of course, the area. Formula. The formula of the area of the tablecloth. And now we know that this length is 9 per 10 and this breadth is 5 per 8. Of course, it will make what shape? Is it a square? A rectangle? Rectangle, of course. So you need to find out the area of rectangle, length times breadth. And now we know that the length is 9 per 10 and the breadth is 5 per 8. So just multiply it. 9 times 5 equals 45, and then per 10 times 8 equals 80. It can be, but in this kind of case, I must recommend you to do simplifying first. So, look at there. Can this 9 and 8 be simplified? Of course not, because they do not share any common multiples. Can this 10 and this 5 be simplified? Yes, because 10 and 5 share common multiples. That's it. So now what we have? 9 times 1 per 2 times 8. Now I want to ask you, can we simplify these 2 and these 8? Well, they share same multiples, common multiples, right, which is 2. But can it be? Of course not. In denominators, you cannot simplify denominator with denominator. Don't forget, it must be denominator with numerator or numerator with denominator. So what we have is 9 per 16. So the area of the tablecloth is 9 per 16 square meter. Don't forget, whenever you find area, you need to do the square meters or square centimeters. If you do not know why we have this number 2 on the top of meters, go back to grade 4, or you may ask me once again. I will explain it to you. We will recall your memory. Number 3. The Lee family had 2.5 liters of apple juice. They drank 7 per 8 liters of the apple juice on Monday. Now, first, Lee family had 2.5 liters of apple juice. They drank 7 per 8 on Monday and 3 per 4 of the apple juice on Tuesday. So on Monday, 7 per 8. On Tuesday, 3 per 4. How much apple juice did the Lee family drink altogether on Monday and Tuesday? Oh my god, it is so easy. Because we have this altogether. Altogether, it means what? It means addition. So that's it. Will be 13 per 8. But is that the simplest? No. Make it into the simplest. 5 per 8 a liter of apple juice. So Lee family drank 5 per 8 liter of apple juice on Monday and Tuesday. It's kind of easier, right? Now go to B. How much apple juice was left? Now, we know that on Monday and Tuesday, they drank 13 per 8 or 5 per 8. And now we're going to find out how much liters of apple juice was left. First, they have this. and then they drink this. So what we gotta do, of course, subtraction. Don't forget, in subtraction of fractions, you need to convert the mixed numbers into fractions. So this 2, 1 per 2 make it into 5 per 2. Minus 7, 30 per 8. So that's it. Will be 7 per 8. Is 7 per 8 the simplest form? Yes, because we cannot divide it into anything else. And there's the answer there with 7 per 8 liters of apple juice left. It's kind of easy, right? Because it is kind of easy, I believe that you can do this. Practice 1, rule 4 until 5. Practice your logic by doing this one, okay? It will be discussed on Zoom 24 August. Don't worry, if you get it wrong, it's okay. We can just discuss it together. But if you never try, we will never know. So that's all for today from Revive. Thank you. Don't forget to study hard and God bless you.